All this week on Dateline Schools, we're talking about the St. Clair County Technical Education Center and their annual open house, which is coming up tomorrow. To tell us more, my special guest all this week is the Director of Tech, Pat Yanik. And Pat, not only will students get a chance to learn about the many programs and learning opportunities they have, you'll also be able to share with them a little bit about the middle college program that you have at Tech that you just started a year or so ago. Tell us about that program.
So this is a really nice opportunity for the students of St. Clair County where they can get a head start on their college career. They come to St. Clair Tech, and with a partnership we have with all of our local districts and St. Clair County Community College, students that are signed up in 7 of our 12 programs at St. Clair Tech can also start taking college classes at SC4. The programs that we participate in are programs that we both have in common that would allow students to start their career at St. Clair Tech and continue their education at SC4 through a 13th year of high school. And the beauty of this is it's all paid for. Mom and dad don't have to pay for any of it. The student doesn't have to pay for it. So it's a really great opportunity to get a head start.
This is really similar to the Blue Water Middle College program that we've had in our county now for about 10 years or so.
It is, but it is a technical middle college program. And so the students have to be in one of our 7 tech programs that participate in order to participate in this program because the funding's coming through career and technical education in the state of Michigan.
Okay. As I mentioned at the open, that tomorrow is your big open house. Is it still time for parents to register and get those Zoom links so they can be part of that virtual program?
Absolutely. If they just go online on our webpage at sctec.org, and they'll see the link for the open house. Just click on that red link and it'll take them to the open house page. And then they'll also see another red link where they register for the open house. They fill out a little Google survey, and then they'll receive the links through their email address.
Great. We'll be back with more tomorrow from Dateline Schools. I'm Terry Harrington.